Hello and welcome to the lecture. Now, in the past few lectures, we've seen that the reason for using lambda expressions is because they are very concise and lead to more maintainable and testable code. We also have seen the syntax of lambda expressions both in JavaScript and Java. So now let's try and apply this to our very first runnable example that we had seen in the past. So here is our first runnable example. If you notice, we have a whole anonymous inner class that we are passing, and we get a prompt from the IDE as well saying that anonymous new runnable can be replaced with lambda. So let's see how we can go about doing this. Now what I have done is I have just removed the for loop. Apart from that, the program is similar to the one we had. Here is what we have. Here is the inner class that we have, and we wanted to replace this. So let's see how we can go about doing that. Let's have one more thread, and we can first just copy paste all of this and pass it here. So nothing great, even this would run, but now I want to replace this with a lambda. So it's the same process. We remove all that is not necessary. We have the arrow. Now since this is a functional interface, we do not need this method, we do not need the name of the method. And we've removed everything that is unnecessary. We can go ahead and get this guy started. So let's run this. Now notice that we got two results, so I'll just differentiate between these two with lambda running, and let's run this. So both of these ways are equivalent, as we can see. Now there is one more way. You can define the lambda separately. So the lambda could be defined as a runnable, and this is equivalent as well. So this runnable, we've just had this lambda, we are naming this and then passing this over here. So I'll just say with second lambda running, and there we have it. So all these ways of running the lambda are same. It just requires a little bit of practice and getting used to. Now also one final thing that I wanted to point out is that this new thread method is the higher order function because it expects a lambda or an inner class. Just wanted to point that out if it wasn't clear or apparent. Okay, with that said, I'll see you in the next lecture. Now lastly, as always, if there are any questions about the content, please do let me know in the comments below. Also, if you would like me to cover any more programming topics, please also let me know in the comments below. And finally, since this is a new channel, If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and please click on the bell icon to be notified about future video uploads.